Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be making these coffee spice rubbed burgers. I have some Wagyu beef here that I got from Sprouts. It's halal, which is so cool. I have some mini pretzel buns. I have our spice blend, which is 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, coriander, crushed red pepper, paprika, and harissa. And then I have 2 3/4 teaspoon of instant coffee crystals. This is the brand I'm using. I have 1/4 of a cup of cilantro, chopped cilantro, and 1/4 of a cup of green onions. So I just added all the spices and the coffee into a bowl and whisked well. This is going to be our dry rub for the burgers. So in a bowl we placed our Wagyu beef. I added the cilantro and the green onions. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of your favorite barbecue sauce. I love the Sweet Baby Ray's Sweet Vidalia Onion barbecue sauce. I'm going to add that in. And then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Oh, and I'm also going to add 1/2 tablespoon of harissa. Now all we're going to do is mix all of this together till everything's pretty well combined. And then we're going to form little mini slider patties. And then we're just going to form them into slider size patties. And it depends if you want the burger patties to be thick or thin, just up to your preference, but you should do it around the size of the bun that you're going to use. And now we have our burger patties here and our spice rub that we have to the side. So we're going to take our spice rub and rub both sides of the burgers with it. That looks so good. Remember to get both sides, really rub that in. Or alternatively, I think this might be just easier just to take your burger patty and dip it in the spice blend. And remember to coat the sides. And the spice blend that we had made makes enough for exactly 6 sliders. Now we're going to fry up the burgers. I have a skillet on medium-high heat and I added a little bit of butter. I'm going to wait until that melts and then we're going to add our burger patties. And once the butter is melted, we're going to add our patties. So we're going to cook them for a few minutes on each side until they're done to your preference. Since these are sliders, they won't take long to cook, and you don't want to let them cook for too long on one side because the brown sugar will start to caramelize and burn the burgers. So maybe just like 1 or 2 minutes on each side. I have it on medium heat. And then I have some halal beef bacon here that I'm just going to fry up until it's cooked on both sides and crispy. And when they're done, all you want to do is remove them onto a paper towel lined plate. So we have our burgers here. I think what I'm going to do is actually put mayo on the bottom of the burger before we put all our toppings. I'm using Duke's mayo, favorite brand of mayo. I'm going to spread that all across the bottom. You want a good layer. And then we're going to add our lettuce. Beautiful. I put the burger patty back on top. I'm going to spread a little bit of that barbecue sauce that we use. And then top with our bacon. And then top with our pretzel bun. How cute does that look? Oof, so good. How fast and easy was that? I hope you guys try it out. Assalamualaikum.